Okay, I wanted to show you these two. This is Summer Rain Sleeping, and this is Anna Asleep. They are really good cuddle kits, cuddle baby kits. I bought 2 of these and 2 of these. They are what's called Realborns. I'm looking forward to making them. Here's the detail on them. That's her little feet, her little hands, her little face expression, which is adorable. This is Sleeping Rain. These are her little feet. Oh, isn't that gonna be fun to crease? And her little hands. Her other little hand. And her little crinkly face. Oh, she looks like she's really thinking about it, doesn't she? And their little fat rose. I absolutely love creasing fat rose. And here is her fat rose. Yep, but that's my next project. After I finish the 3 that I'm working on, my husband tells me I need to finish those, so I guess I'm gonna have to do that eventually. But yeah, I actually like to dress them up and see how well they cuddle before I make them. And these 2 are so sweet to hold. I just love them.